How are we, YouTube? George here, and just show you what we're at here today. We're over here in Keenaquip, Keena, County Longford, and we put a VFD on this Colchester Student 2500 for the boys here. This is available for sale. I'll put the details of how to get in touch with the lads in the description of this video. But nice, clean, tidy lathe. Came out of a college or whatever, didn't get much hardship. Nice, clean, tidy machine. So she's on single phase now. Has all the power cross feed or on the Z axis, same as mine, and there's all the little bits and bobs on it there. Fully metric machine, so handy for you for cutting all your threads and stuff like that, and it's in good nick. So give the boys a shout and grab yourself a bargain. Nice little machine for somebody to have at home in their shed, and nice tight machine as well. No lumps gone out of the ways or no wear. Nice tidy machine. Right, anyway, I'll leave the details how to get in contact with the boys in the description of the video, and if you're interested, give them a shout. They deliver. You deliver anywhere, Charlie, yeah? Yeah. They'll deliver anywhere in Ireland. So anyway, we'll get you in the next one. Bye bye.